Hi folks, Carrie, Patrick. We're doing something we've been longing to do for 3 years. Because these things, in the opening you saw the creek. You heard the creek, you saw the creek. This thing, and we have one of them tied behind, and the other ones don't creak because we have them tied too, but this one flaps everywhere. I went to the school of YouTube, like we do, and we've found a guy who took his doors off, and it made sense to us because we knew the pins were the key, taking the pins out of the doors, but we didn't know how to do that. They simply cut them.
That's it.
That's it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take these suckers off and, you know.
At least one of them.
Yeah, because it's really windy, and this one cannot be attached because if you can see over here, that's our internet. So we can't shut this door all the way.
Because of the conduit comes up out of the ground.
Yeah, it comes up out of the, yeah. We don't want them on. We've thought about it a long time, 3 years. We don't have any reason to keep these on that I can think of. We will ask everybody in our general vicinity. We'll ask Ryan first, Ryan and Debbie first, if they want them for any reason. And you know,
Ryan told me this morning he might want them.
Oh, really? Good. Okay, so we might have somebody that wants them. So that's cool. I don't want to just throw them out. We're not going to just throw them out. Okay, we're keeping our tin. We're keeping our doors unless our extended family wants them, okay? But these have to go.
Still, I gotta put a new blade on.
Okay, that was an old blade from the last job we had, but we didn't want to waste it.
I'm gonna need a new one before I can.
Wow, how many blades do we have? How many discs?
4 more.
Oh, okay. We should, well, depends.
3 more or 4 more.
Should you just leave it tied to the gate, to the fence?
I untied it now, but.
Well, you can tie it back up, and then that way it'll be almost as like it's.
Yeah.
That would be safer, I think. Okay. All right. So you only got one more pin, right?
Yeah.
Crap. What have we got ourselves into? You better move over when you get it that open.
Okay. Move off to the side. I think we're just gonna let it fall, I think. Hold on a minute.
Alright. It wants to come down. You want me to not hold anything?
Walk over there.
Okay. I think it's still attached right there.
That's the only one that's not coming out.
Yeah. Where is your jack? It'll lift it if it's
over by Ellen's trailer.
Okay. Okay, we got our jack. I didn't feel safe over here.
You see daylight through there.
No, I don't. Oh, I got it. I just keep doing this and it does release there a little bit.
Okay, here it comes.
Here it comes.
I'm letting it go.
Let it go.
Woohoo!
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Seriously. Literally. Thank you. Good job. That was a beast.
The Superman pose. Okay.
I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah.
Because the wind's
too much.
has picked up so much since we started even grinding. And I don't want to break my sliding glass doors. I don't want to break our heads. It's pretty cool.
Let's do this day after tomorrow.
All right, you guys, it's 3 days later. We have a breeze. We have a breeze, but it's not bad, and we're going to get this sucker done. It is tied to the gate, to the fence. Good. We have actually more discs than we thought, so that's good. We have 4 discs, not 2. That's good. This is going a little bit easier than the other one. A little bit. By a little. Let's go.
That one shifted. Stand back, guys. Stand back. That one definitely shifted.
No, I think the middle is... These are definitely all cut except for this one. Whoa. There it goes. Woohoo! Good job. That was safe. Oh, that's so much better. I think that we're going to have to clear a path to bring our truck in here and then drag them.
Yeah, because they're quite heavy.
They're heavy. I don't see us, the two of us anyway.
They're got to be at least
maybe Jen
350,
and you.
400 a piece.
Oh, I don't know.
They're heavy.
Maybe we can, flip them on end over there.
I don't know about on end. How about on? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. We'll show you if we get it done today. On this video, we'll show you.
Big if.
Oh, you guys, thank you for hanging out with us. We appreciate you. And if you haven't, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and give us a thumbs up on the way out.
And comment and share.
Yeah, we really appreciate that. Yeah. We love to hear from you. We appreciate your comments and your encouragement and your advice, because we don't know ever what we're doing. We're just trying to do the best we can. So expert advice is always welcome. We appreciate it.
That's right.
And until the next time we are together.
And if you have to,
hunker down. All right. Do you want to see if we can endo these things over there?
Yeah, no.
We can try this one.
I don't have room on that end.
Oh, how about this? How about this one? Should we try? Let's try.
No.
Let's just give it a go.